Let's now get across the market moves of today with our business reporter, Edward Boyd. Ed, look, it was pretty strong out there, probably catapulted by what happened with the Commonwealth Bank.
Definitely, Ross. It was a strong day for the share market today. ASX 200 started the morning strongly, pared back a little bit, but still finished the day up about 1.1%, which was an intraday high. Aussie stock transfer company Computershare was the top performer after reporting a 27% lift in profit during the half year. Its shares were up about 12%. Commonwealth Bank surged today on better than expected profits, and its shares started the morning around $94 and it's just under $100 at the end of the day. Then mining stocks, including South32, Alumina and Resolute Mining, they all had some pretty solid gains today too, around the 5 to 6% mark. Shares in mining services company Mineral Resources, they slumped after it reported those rising costs in the half year and that significant drop in profit. So they were down about 9%. Automotive parts supplier Bapcor, they had supply chain and cost issues too in their half year. They slumped as well. And healthcare company Nanosonics, that fell for the second day in a row. Its shares are continuing to be sold off. Turning quickly to the currency, the Aussie dollar was up today. It's buying about 71.63 US cents. And I just want to highlight Aussie company Tritium, which is listed in the US. You can see this chart here. Its shares skyrocketed about 40% overnight, and they've now lifted about 12% as well in after-hours trading. And Ross, this is all off the back of Tritium announcing a new factory in the United States of America.
Okay, it's a really good story, this. And you covered this, of course, on Business Weekend, and we'll do it again this week with the Chief Executive, Jane Hunter. But I just want to pick you up on this because, you know, we discovered this company sort of last year. It was known about. They'd come out of the Solar Challenge. They ended up winning the prize last year for having the best electric vehicle charging system in the world. Now they've gone to the US, listed on NASDAQ, worth $1 billion. It's a pretty good story.
It's a great Australian success story. They said today they've got their number 2 in the global in the markets for building electric vehicle chargers. This new factory in Tennessee, it's going to create 500 jobs, build about 30,000 electric vehicle chargers each year when it's at full capacity. So
let's go to the President, Joe Biden, today, because he spoke about this. Really interesting, because this was one of the things that set light to the stock.
Tritium's new facility is going to produce up to 30,000 of these chargers every year. They'll use American parts, American iron, American steel, and they'll be installed up and down the highways and corridors in our communities all across the country.
Yeah, so it's a great story. That really helped it out. And thank you so much for that. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go and hear a little from the Chief Executive, Jane Hunter, as well.
Sounds good.
Tritium has global expertise manufacturing and installing fast chargers across 41 countries, and we applaud President Biden's ambitious goals of electrifying the federal fleet and the equitable deployment of a national network of 500,000 EV chargers.